This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Mason is racing down the ice with incredible speed, but the defenders are catching up. He must pass the puck soon. Oh, he has sent it to Carter near the net, and Carter will take the shot. Goal! Wow, that was some great teamwork by Mason and Carter. These sentences use some helping verbs to help the main verbs. These two types of verbs work as a team to show action. Check it out. Is racing, are catching, must pass, has sent, and will take. As you can see, helping verbs come before the main verbs, and they're usually right next to each other. There are a lot of different helping verbs. Some common ones include forms of to be, such as am, are, is, was, were. Forms of to have, like has, have, had. And forms of to do, such as do, does, did. And modal verbs, like can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must. Let's take a look at some examples and practice identifying main verbs and helping verbs. Here's our first sentence. The plants in the garden have grown quickly this season. Can you find the main verb in the sentence? Oh, it's grown. And what's the helping verb? Remember, helping verbs come before the main verb. Have is the helping verb here. These two verbs work together to show that the plants in the garden have grown. Nice job. Let's try another one. Jack was happily reading his favorite comic book. All right, what's the main verb in this sentence? It should show Jack's action. Here it is, reading. Now let's find the helping verb. Well, helping verbs come before the main verb, but they don't always have to be right next to it. Here the helping verb is was, and even though it's separated from the main verb by the adverb happily, they still work together to show that Jack was reading. Great. Let's check out our next sentence. Should we bring an umbrella to the parade today? Oh, look, this sentence is a question. When we have a question, it can sometimes help to imagine it as a statement. Like this, we should bring an umbrella to the parade today. Now it's easier to see the main verb is bring, and the helping verb is should. But in the question form, the main verb bring and the helping verb should are separated by the subject, we, but they're still working as a team. Should bring. Good work. Let's try one more. The volcano will not erupt unless there's enough pressure. Do you see the main verb? Oh, here it is. Erupt. And the helping verb will is over here. This time they're separated by the word not. But again, they still work together to describe whether or not the volcano will erupt. Well done. Helping verbs and main verbs work as a team to show action in our sentences. Now that you know how they work, see if you can spot them in the sentences you read and write.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.